Today we're going to make Bolognese gnocchi, and this gnocchi smells like potato, or Indonesian call it smells ngentang. Let's make this. I promise you can make yourself at home. Gnocchi, yay!
First of all, you need to buy your potatoes and make sure you buy high quality potatoes.
But I'm going to cut this first. Like this. Then just boil them. Phew. Woo. Okay, this is I think already cooked. If you like, oh, see, it's easy to move, then it's already cooked. So after this, you might want to mash them. I like to make the skin still because I don't like it to be like, I like the skin better than without the skin, so I'm just gonna put the skin on. Okay, this. And then you can also add butter if you like the butter, so it's going to be more buttery. Like this. Yep, the butter. Just put the butter. After that, you might want to put your potatoes in here. Yep. Make sure it's already cold. So you need to make sure that the potato is cold, like already chill, not too hot, and then you can add the egg after. Like this. Like this, and then you might want to add the egg in the middle. The egg. Like that. Yep. Like this. And then after that, you can just mix them up. Whoa. Ooh. And then add more flour. And then just mix them up. All up together. Make sure your hands are clean. Truly playing by the rules of someone else's game. So you just mix them all together until it's mixed. Like this, just until the dough is not wet anymore, until the dough is good. Knead the dough until it's good. So knead until it's like this, like it's not sticky in your hand anymore. And then let it rest. 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 Let this thing rest. Yep. Alright, I think it's well rested enough. Now it's time to roll them up. Woo! Let's roll. I'm gonna roll them, and then cut them into gnocchi. Like this. Still have a lot, and then you just cut them like this. Yep, like that. And then you just need to roll it like this. Like this. Yep. Roll. Like that. Gnocchi. Yay. Done. You got your little gnocchi. Gnocchi, gnocchi. Ew. There's still a lot. Gnocchi. Salt the water, like usual, and then put your gnocchi. Just a good amount. Not too much, not too little. The gnocchi is like this, but that's okay. Don't be too perfect. It looks like a baby hamster. If the gnocchi is floating, it means it's ready. And I'm gonna keep them for later. Yay. Add butter. So this time it's important that you make it a little bit crispy. And then you put the gnocchi. There you go. And you toss them until it's crispy. After you see that it's already crispy, you can put it on the plate. And then you can add your favorite choice of sauce. I'm adding this sauce, and voila. Yeah, add your favorite cheese, any cheese, like that. Ooh. Here you go, your very own gnocchi. Guys, I'm literally so hungry. I already ate them all, but it tastes so crispy and chewy because I make them crisp, and then the beef and all the fresh ingredients is so good. It tastes really amazing. You should try it. Make some. So delicious. The Bolognese.